On Friday, February 6th, a special gathering took place in Salamia. The Shia Council welcomed representatives of His Highness Prince Aga Khan of Syria. This gathering was held to celebrate the first Imam Eid of Maulana Shah Rahim al-Husseini. People came with love, respect, and happiness. Visitors arrived from Salamia and nearby areas, including Mashaf, Kadamus, and the Al-Kawabi River region. Members of the National Ismaili Council and local councils were also present. The celebration was not only religious, it was a message of unity and peace. The council visited important religious leaders, including the Metropolitan Bishop of Alabki and Archbishop Gregorius Khoury of Homs, along with Orthodox Christian delegations. Community leaders and members of the Brother Humanity Foundation for Development also joined the celebrations. They represented different parts of Syrian society from Aleppo, Homs, Tartus, and Hama. Young people played an active role in the event. Their presence brought energy, hope, and a strong feeling of belonging. This gathering showed one clear message: different communities, one spirit, brotherhood, respect, and unity. In times of challenge, such moments remind us that peace is possible when people choose understanding over division.